Hello students, today we are going to start your next topic, second topic of your tense, present tense. First we have already done your topic past tense. Now we are continuing this same topic. This is present tense, second portion of this tense portion. Simple or indefinite, just as in the past tense there was simple and indefinite, उसी तरीके से सिंपल और इंडेफिनिट प्रेजेंट टेंस में भी होते हैं. द फॉर्मेट इज ऑल्सो सेम. सब्जेक्ट इज नीडेड फॉर द पॉजिटिव और सिंपल सेंटेंस, प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज नीडेड, एंड देन एस और ई एस इज अटैच्ड. आइदर एस और ई एस इज अटैच्ड, एंड एट द लास्ट ऑफ इट ऑब्जेक्ट इज नीडेड. Just as an example, same example we are taking in the whole sentence. This example is Ram as a subject, this is noun. Sing is the verb first form, and we have attached this s to it. Sings a song is an object. Now in an interrogative sentences we need a helping verb. Helping verb, but here is no helping verb, but we still need a helping verb to start our sentence. So in this verb first form, in this interrogative formation, we will use either do or does. Where do is often used with plurals, and does is often used with a singular person. First person, second person, and third person. You all know about it. First person is I. Second person is you. Third person is he, she, it, they. Now subject is needed, verb first form, object, after that a question mark is also needed. For example, Ram is the singular portion, so for singulars we need does. Does Ram sing a song, question mark. For negative sentences, subject and helping verb is also needed, just because we have to put not after this helping verb. Same process, do and does. Do is used with plurals and does is used with singulars. Ram does not sing a song. Not is used in negative sentences, so here we have used this not. Clear everybody? Now our next topic is continuous tense. Continuous tense. In continuous tense we have to in this continuous tense, formation is same. Subject is needed, then helping verb is already there. Helping verb is, am, and are. After that, verb first form plus ing is joined. After that we need a object at the last of it, full stop. Now our example will be, subject is Ram, helping verb is used with singulars and are is used with plurals. Is singulars, are plurals, and am is only used with I, except I am is never used. Is, sing is our verb first form, and we have to attach ing to it. This is singing a song. Full stop. That's your sentence. After that, interrogative formation of this sentence. Interrogative formation. For interrogative formation, helping verb is at the first position. Is, am, and are is at the front position, first position. After that we need a subject to it. Subject, then verb first form, then ing, and at the last object is needed, and then question mark. Your example will be your example will be is Ram singing a song? Question mark. Is Ram singing a song? Negative. In negative sentence we also need a helping verb. Helping verb is already there for us. First is subject, then helping verb. Helping verb is am, are. Then verb first form, then ing, and then object and full stop. Wait, we have missed not. Not is always used after helping verb. Here not is also required. Mind it, not is also required here. Without not, your sentence will not be completed. Not, then verb first form, then ing, then object, and then full stop. Then your sentence will be Ram is not singing a song. Clear, everybody? Now this is your continuous sentence.